Look, everyone knows recessions suck. Businesses crumble, markets panic, and the noise around safe investments turns into a frenzy of fear. The reality? Most people freeze, panic sell, or hide cash under the mattress and pray things get better. But here's something brutally honest and often missed. This is exactly when the real players start winning. Not tomorrow, not when things normalize, but right now, in the eye of the storm. Distressed assets during recessions? They're not just some backup plan or last resort, they are a goldmine. No joke. Feel that frustration? That gnawing feeling that despite all your knowledge, all your connections, the system feels rigged? The pain of watching others panic while you know the game is shifting, but everyone else is blind. That's pure, sharp opportunity knocking. Distressed assets mean companies, debts, or real estate, whatever it is, that are drowning on paper, but underneath, they hold untapped value nobody else wants to touch. The market has turned cold, not because these things lost worth, but because everyone else is terrified or too slow to decide. Here's what you've probably missed. The moment you jump in, you don't just buy cheap stuff. You're buying control, influence, and options, not just pieces of paper. You become a problem solver that others desperately need but can't find. This is where hedge funds with real guts and brains grab pieces of the future for cents on the dollar. The key? It's brutal honesty with the numbers, deep industry insight, and zero tolerance for fluff or guesswork. You don't waste 1 second hoping companies will maybe bounce back. You dig into what assets still generate cash, what debt can be restructured, and what parts of the business have a path forward if handled right. Now hear this. Don't chase the headline deals or the glorified bankruptcies everyone's talking about. The gold is in quiet, messy, overlooked places. Broken supply chains, overlooked IP, vendor contracts forgotten by giant competitors who just want to cut losses fast. The ones who wait for perfect clarity, or the market to calm down, will miss every single big play. You have to move with precision where others hesitate or panic. Step 1. Stop wasting time trying to predict the bottom in public markets. Focus on distressed situations with real assets behind them. Companies with revenue, but bad liquidity. Debts trading at a steep discount. Real estate that's temporarily devalued, but in good locations. Step 2. Build or lean on a team that can ruthlessly analyze cash flows, restructure operations fast, and handle legal puzzles without breaking a sweat. This isn't about cheering hope. It's about cold, calculated moves where every dollar is accounted for and risk managed like a surgeon's scalpel. Remember, your real edge here is your mindset. Most investors run scared. You, if you want to win, need to see these moments as resets. Everything old, slow, and inefficient is getting wiped out. New power players who snap up distressed assets today will control tomorrow's markets. Capital alone won't get you there. You need speed, insight, guts, and connections that move deals faster than the noise around you. And here's the fire you can't ignore. Distressed asset investing during recessions isn't some nice-to-have strategy. It's a survival skill for founders and investors who refuse to lose ground when the world turns upside down. If your moves are smart and ruthless, you don't just protect your capital, you multiply it. You don't just wait for recovery, you help build it. Every dollar you put into a smart distressed deal today is a vote against fear and a bet on real transformation. Don't fool yourself thinking anybody else will hand you this chance. The market's chaos hides the truth. The real money is made when others run away. So stop watching, stop hesitating, and get deadly serious about distressed assets now. Map the unseen cracks where value leaks, get to know the players scrambling for survival, and be first to offer solutions that others aren't even imagining yet. The entire financial world runs on fear in recessions. But fear doesn't belong to you. Take what others dump. Rearrange what others break. Own what others can't see recovering. Do this ruthlessly, and you won't just weather the recession. you'll reshape the game. This is how the best hedge funds crush it when the world falls apart. Now go make it happen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.